Everybody, Wing Rider. If you have a second gen Kawasaki KLR 650, you probably have had this problem. Let me turn this around. There's my KLR 650. These turn signals are nearly brand new. They had a recall because there's rubber rots and these things fall over. What they're designed to do is when you fall over, they're designed to pop off like that, and instead of break. But this one, bumpy dirt road or something, it just pops right off. So here's a solution for this thing. It's 3D cycle parts, and there's these pieces here that come with the pieces and the screws, and I want to put these on. That'll keep them from coming off. And I'll show you how. There's 3D cycle parts. I'll show you how that works. Mine's a 2008. It's 2008 plus KLR 650 turn signal repair kit, front and rear. So let me get started and I'll show you what we're doing here. Okay, let me show you what I'm doing here. Pretty much got to disassemble the bike to do this. You unplug you take all this apart, seat off, and you can get to the wires here. You unplug it and it comes out of this hole. But that's this one assembled. These pieces right here, this one piece here goes on first and just fits in the turn signal, and then in here this piece with these lines goes in here like this with the lines on the outside. Then there's a screw with the kit that puts it together. But it's solid. It's on there solid. It's not coming off anymore. But you got to pretty much take it apart to put these on. So, but that's how you do it. It's kind of vague, but there's other videos that show you how to do this easier than I can show you. So hang in there and let me get this thing back together. Okay, sorry, I just went ahead and put it together. It became a pain in the ass, but they're on there and they're solid and they're going to work fine. And the only difference, this rubber thing here isn't in there anymore. So, but they're fine. And like I say, it was a pain in the ass, but I got them on there because I got all this extra stuff on there. But I'm going to go ahead and do the front ones. They're going to be a whole lot easier from what I can see. So I'm going to knock them front ones out and I'll get back with you. Well, like I thought, the front's going to be a lot easier than the back. Taking this off was a piece of cake. Just 4 bolts and a couple of screws and unplug some stuff. But I'm going to swap over these turn signals here. This is going to be much easier than the rear one, than the back was. The back was a pain in the ass. It's just this kit though. Pretty simple. Let me knock this out and I'll get back with you. I know this video's not that great, but I just want to get this done. So hang in there. Okay, it's done. And they're all working. The only difference is that it doesn't have that long rubber piece in there now. It's solid. But they're working just fine. And they're not going to fall off anymore. This one fell off and got on the exhaust a couple of times. But they're nice and solid right there. They're not coming off anymore. And like I say, they still stick out plenty far enough. They're fine. The bike's dirty, I need to wash it. But see, they stick out plenty far enough, they're just fine. But 3,898 miles on the 2008 KLR, but oh, it needs a bath. Definitely needs a bath. But the kit was $20, and like I say, it showed the earlier in the video I showed you where you can get them. You can go online and get them for 20 bucks. But if you have that problem, well, these things just popping off, which you will eventually, that's the cure. So give it a try, and like I said, I need to give it a bath and a gold wing and everything else, my other toys, but that's it. I would have showed some more installation, but I just, like I said, I just wanted to get through it and get it done, because the back was a pain in the ass, the front was a piece of cake. Anyway, Wing Rider.